Мы что говорим?
No, ja się mówię.
So hello,
Hello.
that's my father. He's
I'm
too
his son.
shy. I'm the orange one. Come on, get your spear and stone.
I took it.
And
Let's
now
go away.
that's
Let's run somewhere that someone can kill me.
get here.
Is this eatable?
Yes, but it gives you shield, and this is the shield.
Okay.
Come on, the camera follows you. So you must go first.
Okay, I'm going. Where do you? I'm here to jump on the...
The food is upstairs. I mean up there, but it's very hard to catch. Swap your hands with double tapping the X button. Oh no! Run, 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 run! Run away from here!
How?
From here! No!
No, they took me.
Yes, they took you! Oh no! Come on, bruh!
They took us both.
Yeah, and now we can eat this thing down. We can eat this thing that gives us shield. Don't throw your weapon. I will eat it and we will gain shield. Now we will go towards the portal thingy, not for the food. Down, down, down! It is coming! Down! Up! Now you must go here. That's my first time playing with my dad and he is not so bad at the game.
Yeah, that is not true. It's not.
Now you must, yeah, great job. Now you must go through here. That. Oh, but no, yeah. Down here through this. Oh, I don't know where I'm. Oh, alright. Come here.
Here.
Wait, hide from here. From here, come. I'm the orange thingy.
But it's coming
From here, come on.
I don't see.
You're here.
Yes.
But
Go down. But there.
go up, go up. No, run, Dad. No,
It's eating.
it ate you.
Take me.
But I'm gonna try killing it. No, oh no.
No, it's gonna try to eat you now.
No, but I know how to kill him.
How?
I just need to get downstairs. And eat this food. So he comes here. No, there is no need for me to kill him because I can go through here. Yeah, the joking master. Oh no,
What is that from the right?
that's
Okay, more
that's a scavenger.
and more.
Yeah, more lizards. Or more scavengers upstairs. Oh no, that's the flying thing that I hate very much. No, run, run! Run, little! Opossum! Opossum! No, opossum, run!
What happens? It got you.
We die.
What happens here? Like electricity.
No, these are explosion things. These berries explode. So yeah, we must go all the way back. No! I need to take my spear back. Here.
Up or down?
Yes, again down.
Why we are going down?
Because because the end of the game is towards here, but we aren't close to the end of the game. The game is very long. I watched on YouTube. You must hold the jump button so you jump higher. No! Yeah. Get over here. Now the same way we gone. Oh no, where am I? Where am I? Yeah. Alright. Here that. Through here. Oh no! No! You fell! No! Run! 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 Run up! I will try to kill him. No! No! He's trying to kill me! Oh! I am holding you! I don't know how that helps me kill him, but...
I think he killed me, right?
Yeah. And I'm trying to kill him. I will... Come on, bruh. Oh no! I don't want to hold you! No! No! Run! No! Where is my spear?
In your hand. Ah, it ran away.
It ran away.
It ran away.
I'm his Google translator. He doesn't know English very much, so I help him. He's my Bulgarian dad. My other half is from
India.
No, I must take your body. No, why can't the camera follow me instead? Wait a minute, try to move. But it let you go.
How to, but I cannot move.
I'm gonna try to drag you up. But I can't. Well, we have to die again, but I don't know how. Why can't the camera follow me instead? Can I eat you?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
No. I didn't ask, may I eat you? I need to search in Google how to switch camera things. Yeah. Exit. We must try again. Dad, hold the controller. Hold it.
What?
We will start over because the camera is not following me. Now the camera follows you.
Again.
Yeah. Go down, go down. Fast, 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 fast. Speedrun. Yeah. Speedrun. No, no. Where did I go? Come on, bruh. Are we gonna try killing the lizard? Wherever it is. No, yeah. Wait me, because the camera is following you. Go! Here, the... Yeah, down. Down and up. Up! Yeah, and so go down and Switch your weapon to the stone. Where? Oh, yeah. It's letting us through. No, it's not. Run, 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 run. Shoot him. No, he ate me. No, he didn't.
No, he ate me.
Where are you going? Huh?
Where I am.
You're dead.
Again?
Yeah? No! No! Come on! This is so hard! I don't know how to kill lizards!
Let's finish.
No.
Last attempt.
Okay, last attempt. No, get your weapons! Get your weapons!
I'm trying to go up.
Yeah, now go down. Oh, we are so shit at the game. No, go down fast, fast. That's one of the lizards that is following someone. Yes, go, go, go. Come on. Now we need to run somewhere that he can't reach us. Get here. Now down. Go, go. No, Dad. Go down, go down. I will try killing him. Even that I don't know. Stop pushing me. I need a spear.
Another one is coming.
Yeah. No. No. Dad.
I'm here.
No. He killed me.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
I am.
But
What?
not fair.
We are not. No, it's fair. We